Hello, my name is Martin. I'm working for the Lake Geneva Boat Company. It's my pleasure to welcome you today here in Lausanne. Lausanne, which is also called the Olympic capital, as it's home to the International Olympic Committee. Did you know that Lake Geneva is the largest lake in Europe? It takes 70 kilometers to go from Geneva to Montreux. You maybe ask yourself why it's worth to visit this region. There are many breathtaking views all over the lake, and you can discover very impressive places like in Geneva, the famous water fountain. You have as well the view on Mont Blanc, which is the highest summit in Europe. And my preferred place is, of course, taking the boat from Lausanne to Vevey and to have a look on the Lavaux vineyards, which is situated between Lausanne and Vevey. A trip on board one of our historic paddle steamers will guarantee to make your trip in the area a memorable one. Our boat company operates one of the world's largest fleets of historic paddle steamers built at the beginning of the 20th century. Some are still operating with the original steam machine, and all of them still have the beautiful Belle Époque dining room. I'm sure you would love to have lunch or dinner in this first-class salon on the main deck, or relax during your boat trip on the upper deck. Now that everything is ready to welcome you again, we are really looking forward to welcoming you on board our boats on Lake Geneva. So, looking forward to seeing you soon. Take care.